I want to tell you a story about someone just like you. They almost handed over $4,200 to a debt collector. Because they paused and asked the right questions, they kept every dollar and cleared their credit instead. This story might save your bank account, your peace of mind, and maybe your financial future, but only if you watch this video to the end. Let me paint the end of this story first. They didn't pay the collector, not because they were dodging the debt, because the debt collector couldn't prove they even had a legal right to collect the debt. And guess what? The collector backed off, the call stopped, the letters stopped, the negative items removed, and now let me show you what almost went wrong. It started with a phone call. Hi, this is LVMV Funding. We're calling about an unpaid balance of $4,276.35. You can pay today for a discounted settlement of $2,500. Sounds official, doesn't it? They had her name, last four of her social, the exact amount of the old credit card. It felt real, but something didn't sit right. So instead of paying, she messaged me and I told her exactly what to do. I said, before you pay anyone, ask for this proof. Not a balance, not a name, not a threat of a lawsuit. You want real proof. I told her to demand a copy of the original signed contract from the original creditor, a full accounting from day one of the debt until the date that they acquired the debt, and any additional charges that they added to it. A bill of sale to show chain of custody to prove that the collector legally bought her account and that they had legal rights to attempt to collect on that debt. And then a full certified debt validation notice to make sure that they're compliant with the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act. So she did it. She sent one letter. 2 weeks later, the debt collector folded. Why? Because most debt collectors don't expect you to ask that way. They bet on fear. They bet that you just avoid them. They hope you don't know your right. Here's what you need to understand. A debt collector buying your debt isn't the same as them being able to legally enforce it. You don't owe them until they prove it. They need legal standing to collect, documented chain of title of the debt, verification it's even your debt at all, including all of the charges and the alleged debt. So before you pay any debt collector, stop, ask them for everything in writing, review it, and you can also get help. Before you pay any collector, stop. Ask them for everything in writing. Review it. Because once you pay, you lose all your leverage. And even worse, if the debt was not legit, you just gave away your money for nothing. Okay, here's what I need you to do. If you're in this position right now, where a debt collector is knocking at your door, calling, emailing, pressuring you, don't panic. Ask for proof. And if they don't give you that proof, they must stop. But I'm going to give you some ammunition, some power in your hands. What I want you to do is I want you to go to summonsmaster.com. It was built for people just like you. If you have debt collectors sending you letters in the mail or sending you letters in your email, all you have to do is upload that debt collection letter into Summons Master, choose Certified Debt Validation, and it will create, off of the document that they sent you, what I call an exclusive certified debt validation letter that will stop debt collectors in their tracks. They don't expect you to know what this letter is going to give you. It's going to give you power. So go to summonsmaster.com. All you have to do is upload your document. It will scan it. It will create your exclusive certified debt validation letter. All you have to do is sign it. Send it certified mail to the debt collector, and they will stop coming after you. Go to summonsmaster.com. Get your free account. Upload your debt collection letter. It will create an exclusive certified debt validation letter that you can use to stop debt collectors in their track. Post your questions and comments at Stephen A. Williams, President and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.